welcome back. It's Billie with Yawnder Mattress. Today we will be talking about probably the firmest mattress we have ever had in the Yawnder showroom. It is the Diamond Rock 2.0 by Diamond Mattress Company. If you are someone who is looking for the firmest mattress on the market, you have found the right place. Diamond Mattress is a US-based company that has been around for over 80 years. They are a family-owned and operated business that is based right here in Southern California. Diamond Mattress focuses on creating quality products at a great value and providing world-class service and support for everyone. The Diamond Rock mattress is a 12-inch extra firm mattress. It is an inner spring mattress with foam encased coils that contributes to improved body support and offers consistent extra firm support. Since it is an inner spring mattress, it is definitely bouncier compared to a memory foam or standard hybrid mattresses. I definitely recommend giving this mattress a try if you are sensitive to motion transfer and sleep with someone else. Above the coils is the comfort layer that gives your body the proper support it needs for proper spinal alignment. It is also made with open cell technology that will aid in sleeping cooler throughout the night. This mattress is topped with performance heat and wicking fabric, which aids in temperature regulation while you sleep by moving heat and moisture away from the surface of the mattress. The Diamond Rock mattress is also CertiPure certified, which ensures that the flexible polyurethane foam in the mattress meets strict standards for content, emissions, and durability. As a combination sleeper myself, this mattress personally feels like a true 10 out of 10 on the firmness scale. It is super firm. Since I mainly sleep on my side, it doesn't give enough sink for my body, so it is definitely too firm for me. If you are someone who prefers that extra firm feel, this mattress would be perfect for what you're looking for. The Diamond Rock 2.0 mattress in a queen size is currently on sale for $11.99. It is a super affordable option if you like that extra firm feel and consistent support. Through Diamond, you're protected by a 20-year warranty plus a 100-night sleep trial right here through Yawnder, so you can really guarantee if the Diamond Rock 2.0 mattress is the right fit for you. If you are someone who prefers an extra firm mattress, almost like you're sleeping on a rock, the Diamond Rock 2.0 is the right fit for you. It is definitely the firmest mattress we have had here in the Yawnder showroom. If you live in Southern California or happen to be passing by, stop by your showroom at 1441 Encinitas Blvd, Suite 116 to try out the Diamond Rock 2.0, plus a variety of other Diamond mattresses and other sleep products. Here at Yawnder, we offer the best and most exclusive deals on multiple mattress brands and sleep products. If you happen to have any other mattress or sleep questions, feel free to either comment on this video or email me directly at billie@yawnder.com. And if you'd like to speak with any of our other sleep experts, feel free to email sales@yawnder.com or give our showroom a text or a call at 858-232-5760. And if you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more sleep content. And feel free to comment down below if there are any other mattress or mattress brands you'd like to see us review. Sweet dreams.